Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to Gunning Down a Dream. I'm coming to you with another video today. This is a follow-up video from the Springfield Armory XD-45 ACP subcompact pistol that I unboxed. I wanted to do a huge thank you to those of you folks that have subscribed to our channel so far. That means a lot to us. If you haven't subscribed and you stumble upon our channel, please subscribe. Drop down into the comments and share with fellow firearms lovers and Second Amendment enthusiasts. Today we're going to be running 26 rounds through the 45 ACP, and we're going to be shooting a Keurig coffee maker today. Everything is being done in a safe manner at my private shooting facility, and as always, everything is safe. The firearm is unloaded, and I wanted to mention that any companies or anything I mention in the video, I am not sponsored by or employed by. So we're going to attempt a video today on shooting the 45 down here at this Keurig downrange and see how it turns out. For those of you folks out there, just stay tuned, and we will be right back with some ammo going down range, folks. Alrighty. Alright, I just checked everything and I've got my magazine in. I am getting ready to see if we can't smoke this Keurig coffee machine and put on a little bit of entertainment here. If you folks have any questions, I will do my best to help out with any information that I can. This particular firearm is outfitted with the grip activated Crimson Trace laser, and we're going to see what we can do here, folks. This is Gunning Down a Dream. Alright, that's the first magazine on that. I don't think there's any more coffee that's going to get brewed with that Keurig. I'm thoroughly enjoying this particular 45. Springfield, you did a really good job on this one here. I'm going to do another magazine, which will be another 13 rounds. And we're going to see if we can't go ahead and put that coffee machine to its final resting spot. We're going to have more fun, awesome content coming up. I have been working on video editing. The last video I just did, I'm not too happy with how I got that. It's Adobe Premiere Pro, but I was able to get the split screen to work. It's just not showing up as a full screen, and I'm trying to make it to where it's good quality 4K plus content, and that way it looks good on TV. That's the first video I did where the quality's not that good, but again, I was able to finally get a side-by-side view using two cameras. So here we go with the second magazine on the Springfield Armory 45 subcompact XD-45. Get my ears on. Alright. There we go. Alrighty, that was the second magazine. We had no malfunctions on this firearm. Ran absolutely great. I'm impressed. I was back about 30 yards roughly. I'm not sure if you were able to see me, but hopefully you were able to see the Keurig coffee machine biting the dust. Again, this is Gunning Down a Dream up here in Indiana. We will be coming to you guys again here soon with some more fun videos. I hope you guys are having a good work week, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good one.